Hi and welcome to Infoco channel. It is quite clear to us that what we eat has the potential to help or harm us, and we all know that there are foods that can leave you feeling energized, reduce your risk of illness, and allow you to maintain a healthy weight. If you want to be healthier and live longer, you must fuel your body with the most nutrient-dense foods. Natural plant foods, a primary part of your diet, will restore your health and vitality. But instead, our addiction to processed food has left us consuming a diet that offers insufficient nourishment and is the cause of so many illnesses, such as obesity, cardiovascular disease, and type 2 diabetes. If you want to live healthier and longer, here are the top 10 foods that will help you. Number 1. Cruciferous vegetables. These are vegetable powerhouses with the unique ability to modify human hormones, activate the body's natural detoxification system, and inhibit the growth of cancerous cells. Cruciferous vegetables are the most nutrient-dense of all the foods. Eat a variety in both raw or cooked form daily. Try some broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, kale or cabbage. The cruciferous phytochemical sulforaphane has been known to have anti-cancer benefits, provide possible protection against heart disease, and even support blood glucose control in people with type 2 diabetes.
They're rich in fiber, antioxidants and vitamins A, C, K, and all of which are associated with healthy aging.
Cruciferous vegetables should be chewed thoroughly or eaten shredded, chopped, juiced or blended in order to release their potent anti-cancer properties. Number 2. Salad and leafy greens. Raw, leafy green vegetables, some are cruciferous, contain less than 100 calories per pound, making them an ideal food for weight control. In addition to keeping weight down, greater intake of salads, leafy greens or raw vegetables is associated with reduced risk of heart attack, stroke, diabetes, and several cancers. Dark leafy greens also contain zeaxanthin and lutein, two antioxidants that are linked to better eye health. Other research suggests benefits such as from improving mental sharpness to reducing risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD. To maximize the health benefits of leafy greens, you must maximize your absorption of their fat-soluble phytochemicals, carotenoids, and that requires fats, which is why your salad or dressing should always contain nuts and/or seeds. Number 3. Nuts. Nuts are a low glycemic food and are a high nutrient source of healthful fats, antioxidants, plant protein, fiber, phytosterols, and minerals. These properties will also help reduce the glycemic load of an entire meal, making them an important component for an anti-diabetes diet. Eating nuts regularly also reduces cholesterol and is linked to a 35% reduction in the risk of heart disease. Despite their caloric density, nut consumption is associated with lower body weight, potentially due to appetite suppression from heart-healthy components. Nuts come in many other forms, from milk, salad dressing, grounded in pestos, added ingredients to dishes, etc. Number 4. Seeds. The nutritional profile of seeds is as superior to nuts in that they provide healthy fats, minerals, and antioxidants, but seeds have more protein and are abundant in trace minerals. Flax, chia, and hemp seeds are rich in omega-3 fats. While flax, chia, and sesame seeds are also rich polyphenolic and breast cancer-fighting phytoestrogens. In addition, sesame seeds are rich in calcium and vitamin E, and pumpkin seeds are especially rich in zinc. For maximum nutritional benefits, seeds should be eaten raw or only lightly toasted. You can eat them by adding flax or chia seeds to your morning smoothie or oatmeal. Number 4. Seeds. The nutritional profile of seeds is as superior to nuts in that they provide healthy fats, minerals, and antioxidants, but seeds have more protein and are abundant in trace minerals. Flax, chia, and hemp seeds are rich in omega-3 fats. While flax, chia, and sesame seeds are also rich polyphenolic and breast cancer-fighting phytoestrogens. In addition, sesame seeds are rich in calcium and vitamin E, and pumpkin seeds are especially rich in zinc. For maximum nutritional benefits, seeds should be eaten raw or only lightly toasted. You can eat them by adding flax or chia seeds to your morning smoothie or oatmeal. Number 6. Olive oil. Olive oil is packed with health-promoting compounds. In addition to monounsaturated fats, olive oil contains polyphenols known for their anti-inflammatory properties, among other benefits. One study evaluating over 7,000 people showed that each 10-gram increase in extra virgin olive oil consumption per day was linked to a 7% reduced risk of early death. Research has also shown that regular olive oil consumption may slow telomere shortening. Telomeres are part of the DNA structure, and shorter telomeres are considered a hallmark of aging. One study among people over the age of 50 found that olive oil consumption improved the successful aging index, which measured a variety of physical health outcomes such as heart disease risk factor along with social and mental health outcomes commonly associated with aging. Number 7. Green tea. What's in your mug could be just as important as what's on your plate. Green tea is known for its potential to reduce cancer risk, but the benefits don't stop there. One study that looked at green tea consumption and risk of death in those that experienced a stroke or heart attack found that the biggest tea drinkers of 7 cups per day had up to a 62% lower risk of death when compared to non-green tea drinkers. If that sounds like more green tea than you can stomach, not to worry, some benefits were still seen in those that drank 1 to 2 cups per day. Green tea contains a unique polyphenol that has been shown to offer many heart health benefits, and likely contributes to this positive benefit of lower risk of death. Number 8. Onions and garlic. The allium family of vegetables, of which onions are a member, benefit the heart and immune systems and have anti-diabetic and anti-cancer effects. Increased consumption of allium vegetables is associated with a lower risk of gastric and prostate cancers. These vegetables are known for their organosulfur compounds which help prevent the development of cancers by detoxifying carcinogens, halting cancer cell growth and blocking angiogenesis. These compounds are released when they are chopped, crushed or chewed. Onions also contain high concentrations of health-promoting flavonoid antioxidants, which have anti-inflammatory effects that may contribute to cancer prevention. In addition to garlic and yellow onions, try leeks, chives, shallots and scallions. Number 9. Pomegranate. The pomegranate is a unique fruit, containing tiny, crisp, juicy arils with a tasty mix of sweet and tart flavors. The signature phytochemical of pomegranate, punicolagen, is the most abundant and is responsible for more than half the antioxidant activity of pomegranate juice. Pomegranate phytochemicals have a variety of anti-cancer, cardioprotective and brain-healthy actions. Most notably, a study of patients with severe carotid artery blockages who drank 1 ounce of pomegranate juice daily for 1 year found a 30% reduction in atherosclerotic plaque. In the control group, atherosclerotic plaque increased by 9%. In another study of older adults, those who drank pomegranate juice daily for 28 days performed better on a memory task compared to those who drank a placebo beverage. Number 10. Tomato. An abundance of health-promoting nutrients can be found in tomatoes: lycopene, vitamin C and E, beta-carotene and flavanol antioxidants, to name but a few. Lycopene protects against prostate cancer, UV skin damage and heart disease. About 85% of the lycopene in American diets is derived from tomatoes. Lycopene is more absorbable when tomatoes are cooked. 1 cup of tomato sauce is 10 times the lycopene as 1 cup of raw, chopped tomatoes. Also keep in mind that carotenoids, like lycopene, are best absorbed when accompanied by healthy fats, so enjoy your tomatoes in a salad with nuts or a nut-based dressing for extra nutritional punch. For a long, fruitful life, fill your plate with mostly plant foods and follow a healthy eating pattern like the Mediterranean diet. Aim to eat more of these powerhouse foods if you enjoy them, but know that no one food is going to determine how long you live. It's your overall diet and lifestyle that makes the biggest difference. We hope that you have enjoyed and find this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and share so that others can also watch it too. To see more videos like this, don't forget to click the subscribe and notification button. Thank you very much for watching.